Birth changes a woman physically, emotionally, and energetically. After birth, everyone asks about the baby, but few people ask how the mother is actually doing. And many women silently go through exhaustion, depletion, anxiety, hair loss, night sweats, brain fog, feeling disconnected from themselves when trying to care for a newborn. In traditional Chinese medicine, postpartum is considered one of the most important healing windows in a woman's life because birth is not just physical, it's energetic, emotional, hormonal, spiritual. And when a mother is not deeply nourished after birth, her body remembers. That's why I created Healing the Birth Mama. It's a gentle postpartum program to help mothers restore energy, rebuild their bodies, and feel supported again through nourishment, Chinese medicine wisdom, emotional healing, and rest. This week, the full program is available for a really good price, a beautiful gift for yourself or a mother you love. Check out the link in bio.